Let's go, guys. It's Raul TV, Team R4UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic, back again. And what I'm doing this time around is I've got a 2006-7 Audi A6 C6, that is. We're going to go ahead and replace the rear shock absorbers. Not the easiest job in the world. If everything comes off nice and easy, happy days. Takes no more than half an hour. But if it doesn't come off nice and easy, then you're in trouble. Anyway, Audi A6 C6 2006-7 kind of thing. Let's go. Before we start, I want to give a massive shout out to Team R4UL Raul TV sponsors, jadlondon.com. Jadlondon.com is a brand new hair product that will be launched on 12th of the 12th 21, but you can get ahead of the game by going online at jadlondon.com and ordering your brand spanking new hair product, lab tested, all 100% natural ingredients, no artificial ingredients whatsoever. For richer, fuller hair, go on jadlondon.com. Also enter JadLondonFamily30 in the discount code for a 30% discount. So for richer, fuller hair, go visit jadlondon.com. Let's go. Okay guys, I've sent the car up on the ramp, as you can see there. Took the wheel off, 17 millivolts to take the wheel off. I'm not going to show you how to take the wheel off. Mechanics 101. If you don't know how to take the wheel off, don't even attempt this job. Right, next thing what we're going to do is we're going to take this wheel arch cover off. It's held on with these Torx here, as you can see there. Torx 25. Take them off. This one, this one, this one. There's another one there, there. Go around to this side. Another one there, there. One there, one there. Take them all off. Take this wheel arch cover off, and we'll go from there. Hey guys, all the screws are off. There's two little clips there. Just plastic clip, just flick them off, they come straight off. Take this panel off now totally. Boom, there we go, happy days. Okay guys, the next thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off here, this nut here. I'm going to take that off. The thing is, it goes round this side here, basically it's this one. But 9 times out of 10 what happens is this seizes up, like mega seizes up, and we can't do nothing about it and we're in trouble, right? So my plan is, my idea is, if I just take that nut off from this side, maybe we can just push the shock absorber this way and just take it off. Maybe, just maybe. Let's try it, let's see what happens. Another thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to support the rear axle, okay, with a jack. Make sure you do that. So what we'll do is, first things first, I think what we should do is we'll go ahead and attempt this one first, okay? See if that comes off. If that comes off, then we'll go and attempt them, okay? Hey guys, sit rep. What I've done is I've cracked it on this side, okay? The first thing I did was crack it on this side. Luckily for me, I've cracked it on this side, and guess what? The whole thing is turning now. So happy days. We're gonna go ahead and take that off. 21 mil socket you need. There we go, that nut is off. The bolt will come straight off as well. Happy days. Okay, the next thing what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this one off and this one off. 13mm bolt on mine. It should be a 13mm unless somebody's changed it in the past. Okay, so 13mm bolt, we're going to go ahead, take that off. Take that off, let's go. Okay guys, them two are off, as you can see there. The bottom bolt is off as well. I've took the bottom bolt off as well. Right, and I'm just going to demonstrate some of this. Is how bad the shock has gone. Boom. No resistance at all. Just take that out from there. Happy days. Let's get the new one on. I mean, you can renew the cap if you want. Put a new cap on it, the top strut mount. But I'm just going to leave that one on, and yeah. Okay, the next thing what I'm going to do is I've clamped it on the vise here. I mean, I'm replacing the shock absorber anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Right, so clamped it on the vise here, 16mm spanner. Let's take that nut off. Take the nut off, we'll take the strut mount off, and we'll just put it onto the new one. Okay guys, I've got the new shocker there, got a new bump stop on it, new sleeve and everything. Okay, I've left the old cap on. It's my car, okay, it's my car, so I've just left the old strut mount on. Don't worry about that. We're gonna get a 16mm spanner on there, and we need to stop it from turning. There is a fancy tool for it, but I don't have it, so I'm just gonna get some vice grips, some old grips, get it on there and tighten it up. Okay guys, shock absorber is back in there. The way we need to get it back in there is obviously I needed to compress the shock absorber, then put it in there. Got them 2 bolts on, not tight or anything like that. I'm gonna get this one on there. Okay, lots of grease onto it because you don't want it to get stuck or anything. So lots of grease on there. Get that through there. As you can see there, it's going through. We're gonna put that through, get the nut on. Happy days. Finish the job off. Get that cover back on. Let's go. Well, that is it guys, everything is on except for the wheel. I'm going to put the wheel back on, the shock absorbers back on, bump stops on. Because it's my car, if it was a customer's car I would have put a new strut mount on. My car, I've just left the old one on. Happy days, all done and dusted. Not the hardest job in the world, actually easier than I thought. Okay, the only hardest part is that bolt there. If that bolt comes off, which is this one here, the 21mm bolt, if that comes off, then everything else is plain sailing. Happy days, job done, let's go.